एक छोटा सा सवाल और संजय सर और माधुरी मैम, आप दोनों से, आपने बहुत सारी, आप दोनों ने साथ में फिल्में की, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी हिट फिल्में दी, कैसा रहा इतने साल बाद दोबारा साथ में काम करना? कुछ अगर शेयर कर पाए दोनों।
जैसे मैंने ऑलरेडी मैं कह चुका हूँ कि बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत समय के बाद मैं इनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ और यही कोशिश करूँगा कि ज़्यादा काम हो। और क्या?
Karan, towards your left. Towards your left.
Yeah, Madhuri wanted to say something.
I just क्योंकि I think हम कितने 20+ years के बाद काम कर रहे हैं साथ में, और हाल ही में मैंने अनिल जी के साथ भी बहुत सालों बाद काम किया था. So it's always wonderful to work with co-actors you worked with before. और इसमें भी वैसा ही, लेकिन I think it's been wonderful.
एक्चुअली मेरे पास भी एक सवाल है, क्योंकि जब सेट पे थे तो संजू सर, माधुरी मैम, मतलब मैं ऑब्वियसली मैम ही बुला होगा, बट ये भी मैम ही बुलाते थे. तो मैं थोड़ा,
तो तुम भी सीखो, तुम भी मुझे मैम बुलाओ.
करण,
मैं तो आपको माँ बुलाता हूँ.
During the titles, all the female leads' name were first, and then there was the male cast name. So was that a conscious decision?
My dear, you and I were brought into this universe by women, and I've been raised by a group of strong women. And these three wonderful women are the heart, soul, and spine of Kalank. There is no way in hell that the men could ever match up to their prowess, their beauty, and their intellect. And that is the reason why they stand tall and proud and first in the series of events.
Wow.
Hello.
So,
I'm waiting for the day that this question won't even pop up. It shouldn't be a surprise.
Good, very good. So मेरा सवाल आपसे और आदित्य से है कि usually there is a perception towards ensemble cast कि सबको वैसा role नहीं मिलता. The कहानी is centered towards primary characters. But what was the reason that you signed the film? Is it because that you thought that your character would be has a depth to it? What was the reason that you said yes to Kalank?
I think you asked a question and answered it as well.
Yes.
Yeah, we did do it because there was actually depth to every character, and like I mentioned earlier, the script was something that blew me away, and Abhishek's vision, which was really clear. And then when you have a director that can put his message across to you about how he's seeing something, and you feel safe and comfortable about that, I think everyone feels good in their place.
All right, we have two questions. We have two more questions.
I just have to say that this film, since you said ensemble, it's a true ensemble film. So that means every character is a primary character. Even if you see a monkey, he'll also be a primary character.
There's no monkey, but
it's a true ensemble.
There's a bull.
There's a bull.
Okay, sorry. I'm just saying, if in case you see a monkey.
Stop confusing the audience.
Yeah, the bull and
Karan. This is a film about these 6 people and their relationships and what they go through, what changes their lives. So I think everyone has a very, very important role to play within the film.
Karan.
We have last two questions, ladies and gentlemen.
Towards your right, Karan. Karan.
हाँ, बोलिए.
कैसे मैंने तैयार किया उनको? देखिए, मैं एक्चुअली डिजाइनर नहीं, फिल्म मेकर हूं, तो मैंने इनको बिल्कुल तैयार नहीं किया. काफी तैयार होके खुद आए हैं ये. और आई थिंक ये आर्टिस्ट हैं, तो ये अपना रोल देख के और फिल्म देख के और फिल्म की इमोशनल और भावनाएं देख के वो फिल्म करते हैं. तो इसलिए ऐसे मुझे कोई ज्यादा मेहनत, वरुण, आलिया, माधुरी, संजय, आदि, सोनाक्षी, उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी है और फिल्म किया है. तो स्पेशल कोई मेहनत मैंने किसी इंडिविजुअल डिपार्टमेंट के लिए रिजर्व नहीं किया. सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत मुझे आई थिंक फॉक्स और साजिद के साथ लगा है.